Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, I am your English learning friend. I make short, fun, and useful videos to help you speak real, everyday English with confidence. Whether you are learning for school, work, travel, or just for fun, I have got you covered. Here you will learn idioms, phrases, daily conversations, and tips that native speakers use every day. So without further ado, let's get in. So, daily conversation part 1, using idioms with their meanings. The scene is two friends talking about plans for the evening. So, the A person says, "Hi, are you free tonight?" B, "Kinda, I am on the fence about going out. I am tired." So, here, kinda is the short term of kind of, and on the fence is the idiom that means not sure. Again, A. Person A says, "Come on, it will be fun. Let's grab a bite and chill." So here the idiom use grab a bite. That means get something to eat. Then B person says, "You are really twisting my arm here." So here is the idiom twisting my arm means convincing me to do something. So here is the person A says again, "I mean, we can just hang at my place if you are not feeling it." So in this sentence, two idioms were used. The one is hang at my place. That means spend time at someone's home. And the second one, not feeling it. It means not in the mood. So here is the idiom list. On the fence, grab a bite, twisting my arm, not feeling it, hang at my place, with the meaning. So practice this conversation if you want to learn native English. So thank you so much, and subscribe our channel, like and press the bell icon, and share and comments. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.